Let's quickly talk about the secure Azure database. Secure Azure database by network configuration and firewall roles. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how we can implement network configuration and firewall roles against the Azure SQL database. So without further ado, delay, I'm gonna go to my Azure SQL. This is my Azure SQL. I'm going to open the Azure SQL. Within Azure SQL, I have the one server name Dilip server 123, and then with this server, I have one database right here. So I'm going to open the my server. Then implemented the networking. I can open this show network setting here. And with this, I do not have firewall role added. So what I can do is already detected IP address or my computer IP address. I can click here, add my client IP address. I can change this IP address as needed, but for now it's already detected. So I'm gonna just save my IP address, client IP address for firewall. So what I can do before I'm gonna go and showing you more step. I'm gonna tell we'll be adding Microsoft Defender for cloud, transfer data encryption, and identity, and these kind of security feature in other video as well. So for now we are talking about the networking, right? So I updated added this IP range. IP address and then save it. So let me go to the overview page now. Now I'm going to copy my server and try to connect through the SSMS. I'm going to click here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste the server name. I'll choose authentication method, not the MFA but the SQL authentication, and I'll choose the my login name, which is available right here, server login name. This is, I'm going to have the server, and then I'm going to put my password. Okay, with that, I am able to log in Azure SQL through my SSMS, which is separately downloaded on my machine. What I'm gonna show you is I'm gonna implement another database level firewall rules. In order to do that, I will be downloading one quick database here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna right click here and then deploy the data tier application. Actually import data tier implementation, and then I'm gonna click next, and then I'm gonna browse my backup. My backup is already there, so I'm gonna choose this backup. So I already saved this backup on downloaded and saved that backup on that folder. So basically, if so I'm gonna choose this Advanced 2017 backup, and I'm gonna do select here. What I'm gonna do is once I select this, backup name has been selected. And for edition Microsoft SQL database, I will be choosing standard. I think standard is good, or basic or standard, right? Let me choose the basic one. And then what I'm doing here is I'm restore the backup in the database. The backup will be Advanced 2017. It will probably take a minute or so. And then on that database, I will create the firewall, and I'll show you importing database is error. Let me see why that is happening. Oh, importing data tier. Let me try one more time. File. Not sure if this file is still accurate or not. Let me go to that location actually. Copy, and then I'm gonna have that backup. So I changed that file. So now this is my backup file. I think that's the file format is different. So I'm gonna choose next. I'm gonna choose advanced work and standard. I think I'm gonna choose the standard. That is fine. Now it's restoring backup. Okay. My restore that backup is just completed. I'm gonna close this. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna close this one, and then as you see, the advanced work TL is just right here. So in this database, mm, I'm going to have the new script and implement the firewall in this specific database. I'm going to create these tags in a new query, and then I am going to implement this database level firewall role. I need to have my IP address here specifically. So in order to get that, I have to go here and I'm going to go to the network setting again, and I'll be bringing my IP address. Copy this, and then I'm going to go back to my SQL, and then I'm going to change start and end IP address, right? Then I have executed. That is successfully completed. Now what I'm going to do is um, I'm gonna using these database backup. I'm gonna create with this database. I'll be creating one user like Conteso or like Dilip, right? And then password is this. So this is what the user I'm gonna create. So I just created the user. Now what I wanted to do is, now I'm gonna show you if I wanna connect this database through this user, right? So from the Dilip and this password. So I wanna show you if I should be able to connect this database or not, right? So this server is same. Login will be Dilip, and then password is this password that we created. And this is what will happen. Login failed. Error message was just popped up because that we configured this IP. So for that, what we need to do is basically what is doing here is we try to connect whole server, but we implement our firewall rule is for this database for this, right? So initially I was able to connect, but now I was not able to connect because we implemented that specific firewall on this database. So what I need to do is I got to go to the option here, and then go to the option and connection properties, and then I have to give a specific database name here. If it is not there, then I have to choose. Basically, I can type ADVENTURE adventure ORKS works LT database. And for I have to encrypt this connection actually. I need to give this connect specific connection type, and also another thing is I have to provide the encrypted connection as a true. So with that, I should be able to. So I have done two adjustment here. Encrypt connection true, and I give this specific data. So I should be able to connect these database only. Now if I go back to here, and I'm going to change my login with Dilip, and I'm going to paste my password like p@ssw0rd01, right? Now I should be able to connect this database. Once I connect, now I should be able to connect, but I am not able to see any other database other than advanced work TW. So if you see here, advanced work TW only. So in my main database, I have many other database or other database like Dilip RG as well, right? But user this user is not able to see any other database. He is only able to see the specific database we set up that firewall rule. He was able to connect through the encrypted connection because we set up the firewall rule. He was not able to connect any other database. He can do all those activity on this database, but he's not able to do here. So this is all I want to share here as a part of secure your database in Azure DB using firewall rule or network configuration. Thank you for watching, and see you on next video. Bye for now.